Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Today I like to give a whoop whoop to Praise Dora. Girl, you on fire. You are the first to comment on one of my last videos again. So I like to give a whoop whoop to you. I see you, see me, so I want people to see you. So today's video is going to be a 3-week update on my natural mini braid. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So I'm going to take my bun out because I showed you guys how I did my bun already. So now that I'm actually talking about my braids, I'm going to take them out so you guys can see them. It is now August 14th. And my braids have been in for 3 weeks. I put my braids in my hair on July 24th. That's when I got done with them. It took me probably 10 hours to do all of my braids. I'm gonna come a little closer so you guys can see how much bigger my braids are. Normally my braids are not this big. If you can see the parts. You can't see the parts because my hair has grown out, but my hair is a lot bigger. Like the braids are a lot bigger. Normally they're not this thick. So how have I been liking my braids? Story time, okay? This is what the ends of my hair look like. I have not reverted my hair at all. So yeah, this is what my ends look like. This is how long they are in the front with them being crinkled because I've literally just been having them in a bun. And then this is what the back of them look like with them being at the back of my head. And then my braids stop at waist length. Let me make sure. You can't even see that, but here is my braids. If I pull them, here is my waist, here is my bra, and then this is my waist. Hopefully you can see that. Not sure if you can. I really didn't show a good video of my hair when I got them done because I got COVID. And I'm not laughing like, I'm like, it's a snuff, like I got COVID. Me and my family went to Orlando, Florida, July 14th to the 24th, I believe. We were there for a whole week and we got COVID. Everybody got COVID except one family that already had COVID. They didn't go back to their home state with COVID, but the last day that I was in Orlando, Florida, when I was braiding my hair, in that video, I was sick with COVID and I was just trying to hurry up and bust my hair out when I was braiding it. So it took me 10 hours to actually do my hair. And because I was sick for literally 2 weeks, I got sick on the 24th and I just started feeling better maybe on the 10th of August. I've started feeling more of myself. I still feel fatigued today, which August 14th. Sometimes I still feel fatigued and tired, but for the most part, I'm a lot better than what I was. I'm still getting headaches here and there, but I was sick for 2 weeks that my hair has been in these braids. So honestly, I have not sprayed my hair. I barely put oil on my scalp. I have a dandruff on my scalp. I don't know if you guys can see that. I have flakes on my scalp. I'm not sure if that's from like COVID or whatever. Like I'm not 100% sure, but normally I don't get flakes this soon on my hair, and I haven't done anything to my hair. I'm happy that I used my lotion bar or my hair bar on my hair because my hair is still very moisturized. And like I said, I have put some oil on my scalp because I noticed that my scalp was drive, but I literally had no energy to do my hair. I had no energy to get up and do anything extra except try to take care of my son. I was wearing a mask in my house. My husband did not get COVID, thank God, but he actually had pneumonia, and that was just from a very deep sinus infection from last year when California was having their forest fires, and we got very smoked out up here in Seattle, and the smoke bothered his allergies. But because COVID happened last summer, they were not seeing anybody for like any little non-extreme medical problems, I guess you can say. Like, they wasn't taking anybody into the clinic. So his sinus problem turned into a sinus infection, and then it just turned into pneumonia when we went out of town. And he was tested for COVID, and his COVID test came back negative. They did x-rays, and he had pneumonia. So we've been trying to get over that, and I haven't did anything to my hair. I haven't did anything to it, and it's grown just fine. Like, it's just been in a bun. Like, honestly, it's really just been in a bun, and I haven't went nowhere. I haven't went out. I tried to go grocery shopping this week. Obviously, I've been out of my 10-day or 14-day quarantine, but I still wasn't really going too many places. They say that you're not contagious after the first 3 days, but how exhausted you are, you're not supposed to be going anywhere after the 10-day quarantine. You're not going anywhere because you're still sick. Well, I was still sick. Everybody, there was 25 people that went with in my family that went with me, and literally we all had different symptoms, and COVID affected all of us differently. So literally some people got better in 3 or 4 days, and I was one of the people that didn't get better until almost 2 weeks later. So it was a solid 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks. So yeah, it affects everybody differently. Yeah, that's pretty much what I have to say about my bigger mini braids. I don't even know if I should call these mini braids, because literally they're not mini braids to me, but I love how thick they are, just to get on my braids a little bit. I am loving how thick they are. I have not reverted them yet. I am going to be washing my hair today, because I have the energy to do it. So I'm going to be washing my hair, and I don't know how they're going to shrink up, because my micro mini braids, I guess I should call them, they shrink up and they look differently from if my hair is in bigger braids. So I'm just really curious as to how my hair is going to revert. I did blow dry my hair. I used the same technique of how I installed my mini braids, or these braids. I can't even call them mini braids. I don't even know what to call them. But my sister-in-law actually parted my hair. Yeah, my sister-in-law actually parted my hair, and she did a great job with parting my hair, because you guys know I was suffering from postpartum shedding, and my hair has fully grown back in. If I could try to find a picture, I'm gonna insert a picture for you guys, but my hair has literally grown all in from my postpartum shedding, and now my hair is like literally this long from my edges. And I do tell you guys really in detail of like my braids and stuff, but she did such a good job at parting my hair. Normally these probably would have been like really short, and you can see where my edges has grown in, and like the frizziness stops. You can see where the frizziness stops at, and then it turns into non-frizzy because this is the ends of the hairs. And then you see how this one is like thick, and then it gets thin. But she did a really good job to where she parted my hair where I would braid it, and they're all long. Like even the temples and the napes of my hair is like they're all long. There's no short pieces. So I absolutely love that. Like, This is the nape of my hair, and it's all long, like it's not any short pieces. So I'm really enjoying that part of these particular size braids, but I am not a good parter, and I could not part my hair like that. So I'm so happy that she parted my hair for me, and all of my braids are one length, because for the most part all of my hair is one length. I know that I most definitely need to cut about an inch off of my hair, but I'm trying to get to full butt crack length, and that's what I'm doing this challenge for. So pretty much I'm going to try to leave these braids in my hair and just redo them because they're not so micro. I think I could actually take maybe 4 days or 3 days, certain sections, and just redo my hair after I wash it. And if it starts looking too raggedy, I can keep the parts of my hair that she did, and hopefully that will work out. So I'm not sure how long I'm gonna keep these braids in my hair. For sure I know it's going to be 3 months, but I'm gonna try to go longer than 3 months with continuously washing my hair every 3 weeks, and then on that 4th week, if it looks really bad, wash it again on that 4th week, and then wait for my hair to dry, and then re-braid my hair, and then wait 3 weeks before I wash my hair again. You guys know I've been washing my hair once a week. So with my hair being in this state and me trying to retain my length, this is the way that I am growing out my hair. This is the way that I started growing out my hair, was with bigger mini braids, and they were so ugly because I couldn't part my hair. But now that my hair is a lot longer, it looks a lot more decent and put together because I got cleaner parts of my hair. I think I'm just gonna try to do a regimen of 3 weeks washing, waiting 3 weeks to wash my hair, and then on the 4th week maybe re-braiding my hair. So I'm gonna see how that routine works for me, if I like the re-braiding, and then just to see how short my hair shrinks up. I'm looking down in the mirror at my hair, but it don't look bad right now, but I know that I need to wash my hair because the flakes is not cool, and I've been washing my hair every week, and it's time to wash my hair. Wash the COVID out of my hair. I've cleaned up my whole room, my whole house, and disinfected everything, and now it's time for me to disinfect my hair, and that's what's fixed to happen today. So I really wanted to give you guys like an honest update on my braids. It's been 3 weeks. I have not did anything to them at all except add a little oil in them. I was sick and I was not fit to do my hair. Like, I didn't spray it with water. I haven't sprayed no water on my hair, and I've been just doing the bare minimum to my hair. But this is my goals going forward with my hair. I think I might try to do the turban challenge with these braids in my hair because my hair is so much flatter, and I'm pretty sure I can get like some type of wrap or something on my hair and keep my hair concealed and protected. So I think I might do that challenge with these braids in my hair, but I'm gonna see how long I can actually go, how much content I can give you guys with my hair being in a protective style like this. So thank you guys so much for watching this 3-week update. I might come off in here at my 6-week update and tell you guys how my hair is doing, and yeah, we're gonna just go from there. Let's see if I can actually successfully get to butt crack length with my hair in these braids, which I know that I can. I should take one braid down and measure where that braid is. Oh yeah, I think I should take one braid down and measure, but then I'm gonna have to keep something on that braid to know that we measured that one braid. But I think I might have to measure the braid after my hair has shrunken, because right now it's in a stretched out state, and I don't think that will be fair to me because I'm not gonna blow dry that one piece out to give you guys a length check. So I think after I wash my hair dry, it might be a really short video on showing you guys where that one braid is, and then I'm gonna put a rubber band or something on that braid so that we can measure that part of my hair every single time when I check in on like a 3-week checkup. We can measure that braid by itself in a separate video, so then we can kind of get like an accurate reading on how fast my hair grows. And I think I should probably measure it when I re-braid all of my braids, so how fast my hair grows in a month. So I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna need to get a raggedy shirt to mark where my hair stops at on the shirt, or I should probably measure it. I might need my husband's help. But yeah, guys, that's my thoughts. Leave comments down below with me just brainstorming. Like, would you guys want to see those types of videos? If you made it to the end of this video, let me know, because you're a real ride or die if you made it to the end of this video. Okay, so I'm gonna stop rambling and talking y'all's head off. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.